Works of art from all over the country are on display at the 6th Tamawan International Arts Festival in Baguio City. The details of this report from Jonathan Llanes.
Artists coming from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao converged at the Tamawan village in the country's summer capital and collaborated with a Tamawan group of artists to highlight the various arts, culture, and heritage in the country in the 6th Tamawan International Arts Festival. With the theme Global Cordillera, Heroes, Legends, and Treasures, artists and the community were empowered by showcasing their respective arts that continues to contribute to society. National Commission for Culture and the Arts Subcommittee Head, Father Harold Gontoya, pointed out the importance of preserving the cultural heritage of the country for future generations.
The urbanization, industrialization becomes a challenge for us and how we can preserve the cultural heritage, both the tangible and intangible heritage. Much more, I think, the intangible, because that is something that we do not really feel, we do not really see as like the tangible heritage.
The fathers trust the continuous passing of stories to the next generation that have evolved from the past to ensure its preservation that will be shared for everyone.
But I think it will be able to succeed if the community will be able to, the community will really help to preserve it. Like some of the young people, the old people have to educate the young people, they have to introduce their children to this traditional practice, to the intangible heritage, and tell them about the stories about all these things. Sometimes the problem is that the young people, they don't know what are the stories of the community. So the stories has to be passed on.
Despite the changing times, Father Gontoya believes in the continuous knowledge of our culture and heritage to ensure its existence.
And I think even though we are facing these challenges of the industrialized society, the modern way of thinking, if it will be passed on properly, it will be the young people will be educated properly by the elders of the community. I guess we'll be able to preserve it.
From the City of Baguio and for the People's Television, Jonathan Llanes.